flying thousands of feet above the ground, yet able to spot even the smallest movement below. This is no ordinary bird. This is the hunter of the skies, the hawk. A hawk's eyesight is several times sharper than that of a human. It can clearly spot prey from hundreds of meters away. Hawks live in many parts of the world, including mountains, forests, deserts, and farmlands. One of the most commonly seen species in South Asia is the Brahminy kite, recognized by its white head and reddish-brown body. With barely a flap of its wings, it can glide through the sky for hours, using the power of the wind. A tiny mouse moving on the ground cannot escape the hawk's sharp vision. When the perfect moment arrives, it dives downward at incredible speed. Its powerful talons can capture prey in an instant. By controlling rodent populations, hawks help protect farmlands and maintain nature's balance. Speed, sharp eyesight, and extraordinary power. These qualities define the hawk, the true hunter of the skies.